In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view Lemlist billing history. So first log into your Lemlist dashboard, then click on your profile icon at the bottom left corner. Then here, click on Plans and Billing. So here you'll see information like next invoice issue date, billing information, send invoices to, and your credits number. And here in the next invoice issue date section is where you'll see all your payment details. You'll find your billing history, including past invoices, payment dates, and plan changes. Here you can also download invoices as PDF file. Now, if you're part of a team workspace, make sure you have admin access so you can find it here at the bottom corner, and otherwise, billing information might be hidden. And that's how you quickly access and review your Lemlist billing history. Thank you for watching this video. Also, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!